you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Haute Bella experience. It is BoxyCharm box time, you guys, and I am in receipt of my November premium box from BoxyCharm, so let's get into it. The theme for the November premium box from BoxyCharm is invite only. And this is a really cute theme card. As usual, they really do have some cute theme cards. And I'm glad that I am getting a theme card in each box, because there was a period of time there when I wasn't really getting a theme card. But it really does help to have this information. BoxyCharm shares with us not only information regarding the products in this November premium box, but also gives us some information about how to save some money on some of the products from BoxyCharm. So it says shop our annual holiday blowout sale now and score up to 80% off retail. So you can go to the BoxyCharm website and you can find products there even at a deeper discount than those items that would come in your BoxyCharm box. So if you're looking to save some money and check out some new products, you don't necessarily have to do that inside of the box itself. You can go to the website and you can select your products there as well. So yeah, invite only is the theme for our November premium box. And the first item we're going to talk about is from Persona Cosmetics, and it is the Identity 2 eyeshadow palette. This is the outer packaging of this palette, and inside you get 12 gorgeous eyeshadows. I used a few of these eyeshadows to create this very simple eye look today. I use these shadows as liners, and I will tell you that they went on very, very smooth, very creamy, very impressed with the formula of this Persona eyeshadow palette. But this is absolutely gorgeous. Let's swatch a couple of these shadows out of this palette. Let's swatch this one right here. This is called Independent. This is what it looks like. And there's a swatch of Independent. Very pretty. And let's swatch this one right here. This one is called Resilient. This is Resilient. It's a beautiful coppery looking shade. Very, very pretty. We'll swatch it right there. I'm not really good at swatches, you guys. I'm doing my best here, but you can see here that that is a really pretty shade. So that's right here. And I also want to swatch this shade right here for you. This shade is called Unique, and I am using this in the inner corner of my eye, but this is a gorgeous shade. This shade did not come to play, and I'm going to swatch it right here. These are very, very pretty shades, very pigmented, and the formula is very soft and buttery. So yeah, this is the Persona palette. I'm using it, and you'll be able to see it in the demo portion of this video. But the info card states, ready for a bolder persona? The Identity 2 palette provides the same buttery buildable formula as the original Identity palette, with more stunning, shimmering, and epic color payoff. Whatever persona you want to create, the Identity 2 is versatile enough for everyday looks, date night drama, and everything in between. And the retail cost for the Persona Cosmetics Identity 2 eyeshadow palette is $42. This is a really, really nice palette, you guys, and I really wanted to do a lot more with this palette, but I am still dealing with healing eyebrows, so I have to really be careful of the makeup that I apply right now. But I did what I could to show you guys just how beautiful this palette is and how wonderful this formula is. So yeah, super, super gorgeous. So glad to add this to my collection. This next item is from Rodialrhodio. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that, but this is a new brand for me. I've never heard of this brand before, but this is their blush drops, and this is what this looks like. It's in the shade Frosted Pink. It almost reminds me of nail polish, but yeah, this is actually a liquid blush. And the info card states, enhance the skin's luminosity by adding a healthy flush of color to the complexion. The concentrated drops provide a buildable, illuminating pop of color to cheeks. So let's see, you know what? I think I'm going to put this in a giveaway, so I don't want to open this up. But this is really, really pretty. I could see this as a really nice spring or summer shade. And the suggested retail cost for the Rodial blush drops is $50. And this next item is from the Better Skin Co. And this is the Bright Now. And this is really interesting. This is an anti-puff, anti-dark circle serum, is what this says on the bottle. Wake up and fight dark circles and puffiness with Eye Bright Now Serum. A single drop provides immediate hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Eye Bright Now assists in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And the retail cost of the Better Skin Co. Eye Bright Now Serum is $38. So this is really interesting. You guys know that if you're talking about anything for the eye, the under eye area, you got my attention right off the bat. So I really am interested in trying this product out. I did do a little bit more research, and it did not appear that this would be a product that would be recommended to use under your makeup. So it'll be one of those products that I'll use in the morning and at night. But yeah, I am really glad to add this to my collection. And again, the retail cost for the Better Skin Co. Eye Bright Now Serum is $38. This next item is from Nude Skin by Nude Sticks, and this is the Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. And this is really interesting. I really don't use too much of a chemical peel so much on my face. I maybe have used a couple of them, but it's not a standard product that I include in my skincare. So this is quite interesting. Let's see. This does have a protective seal on it. So I can't show you guys what it looks like or tell you what it smells like. But the info card states, the Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel is a skin clarifying at-home chemical peel that detoxifies the pores of excess oil, dirt, and pollution while visibly rejuvenating skin tone and texture. Powered by enzymatic peeling action of papain, along with renewal properties of apple and pomegranate extracts, this skin superhero is also formulated with vitamin C and lemon peel oil to brighten the skin for a radiant, youthful glow. And the retail cost for the Nude Skin by Nude Sticks Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel is $34. So very interesting product. Really excited to try this out. I don't know if I'll be trying it out anytime soon because I've got something else that's coming up on my channel in terms of skincare. So I don't know. This might go into a giveaway box, but we'll see. But again, the retail cost is $34. This next item is from Riddle Oil, and it's the original roll-on oil. So this is what it actually looks like. And the info card states, made with simple ingredients of amber and musk, the original roll-on oil smells clean and subtle. This oil naturally creates a signature scent that is unique to you. The original scent is excellent for people who won't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. Rest assured, when you roll on your original fragrance, it is hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. And the retail cost for the Riddle Oil original roll-on oil is $50. So, this is a fragrance. I really can't get a good smell of this because I don't want to manipulate the ball on this just yet because I'm thinking that this may go into a giveaway box as I've got several oils and fragrances already. I do like the notes that are mentioned here in this oil. I do love amber and also musk. So those are really soft, pretty fragrances. They're also fragrances that I think can be worn during the day or night and be appropriate either way. So yeah, again, the retail cost for the Riddle Oil Original Roll-On Oil is $50. And the last item that came in my premium box for the month of November is from Galactic, and it is the Rose Oil Petal Gloss. And this is what this product actually looks like. There are rose petals inside of this container. Really cute. This is just a gloss. It does not have any color to it. And it comes with your regular lip gloss type of applicator. And it does have that rose or a sweet, almost honey-like fragrance to it. But the info card states, fall in love with this long-wearing lip gloss that is infused with natural dried rose petals and a blend of argan oil, raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. This gloss isn't sticky and is the perfect go-to formula for a glossy finish. The formula is enriched with moisture-boosting protective ingredients to nourish and repair your lips. and the retail cost for the Galactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss is $20. So I'm really liking this. I'm wearing this gloss right now and it is quite comfortable. It's not sticky and I don't feel like it's going to move all over my lips. That's one of the challenges sometimes that I find with lip oils, is that they moisturize the lips just fine, but they travel. They travel over other parts of my face and I really don't like that too much. But this is really nice. I think I may add this into my little small cosmetic bag that I carry in my purse as a lip product that I can just use on the go, as I'm moving around. So as usual, I've totaled up the cost of all of the items that came in my November premium box from BoxyCharm, and the total comes out to be $234. As usual, you guys hear me say this, and I'll say it again. I pay substantially less than $234 for my monthly subscription to the premium box from BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is a good way to try out new products from brands that you have heard of and maybe even some brands that you have not heard of. So I'm going to leave my referral link below in the description box. If you're interested in signing up for BoxyCharm, please do feel free to use that link to sign up, or you can go to www.boxycharm.com. You can sign up there and you can start receiving your own box. So without further ado, let's get into the demo portion of this video. My face has been cleansed and I used my Elemis Ginseng Rehydrating Facial Toner to tone my skin after cleansing. I then followed up with the Antioxidant Energizing Essence from 111 Skin. This is an item that came in my previous month's BoxyCharm box. I then followed up by using my Shiseido Essential Energy Moisturizing Cream. And to further prep my under eye area, I use from Dew of the Gods. This is their under eye volumizing collagen pad. This came in one of my previous month's BoxyCharm boxes and I have been loving these pads. I think they really do provide a benefit by eliminating some of the puffiness that I normally see in this under eye area. So did all that as part of my skin prep, because I'm not going to be using any complexion products like foundation and things like that. I'm just going to do my eyes using the Persona palette that came in this month's BoxyCharm box. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these pads. And since I'm not going to use any foundation, I'm going to be using my Versali Skin Tune Blur. This is pretty beat up, but I still have some product in here. So I like to use this on those days when I'm not using foundation. And this just preps my face for anything else that I may be doing, for the look that I'm creating for that day. And it really makes my skin look really nice. I think the last time I did my BoxyCharm video, it was during a time when I was going through my initial healing process for my brows. And now I am going through the healing process for the touch-up of the brows. So again, I have to stay away from them. But yeah, we're still going to be able to create a really soft and pretty look today. I'm going to take just a little bit of my Petal eyeshadow base, just a little bit. And I'm just going to put it on the lid area. I'm not taking it up any further than this. I'm going to start by lining my waterline first. I like to do that because it helps me to get the placement of, the wing a little bit. I'm going to go into the Persona palette and I am going to use this shade right here. This shade is called Driven, and I am going to use this as a top liner across my lash line here. I'm using a small angle type brush to do this. It's going on really smooth. That's very pretty. And I'm just having it meet up with where I drug out the bottom liner, the black, so it's really pretty. And I am applying this dry. I didn't wet the brush before I started, and these shadows are really creamy. I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm just going to gently go across the top of it just a little bit. I don't want to blend it out to the point where I can't see it, but I don't necessarily want there to be too harsh of a line there. I'm going to finish off my face and I'll be right back. This look is turning out really, really pretty. I love how the eyes have turned out. This Persona palette is really nice. It's time for lips, and I'm going to use the Galactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. I'm just going to use this straight away. I'm not going to add a lip liner. And this look is done. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.